Fiza Khan. Most welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to crimp your hair by using straightener. So let's get started. The first step is you have to just apply serum. You have to just apply serum on your hair properly, and then you have to make braids of the hair. You have to take this much amount of hairs, tie the balance hairs. I'm going to make the braid like this. You have to make the braids. You have to make the braids tightly so that it will crimp goodly. Now tie the hairs like this. So my straightener is ready to straighten the hairs. Now you have to take the braid in your hand and just press your braid by using this straightener. Like this way. Now it is ready. So I am removing the hairband. So you can see the crimp. So you can see how goodly it crimps your hair, and it works very good. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe, give a like and follow to my channel. Thank you.